Let's go out and have a look around. We can see how much we got to clean up from the big tree that came down. Hello, Yaya. Hello, Adrian. How are you feeling? I hope you got good weather now. Summer's starting here now. It's a big tree. I hope this weekend I can get out to go fishing. I got my fishing license, got a container of worms, so I'm waiting to get my granddaughter and we'll go. My God, it's a lot to clean up. We fell the other one down on top of our hill. I'll soon have to cut those other ones down too. There. They're gone. Big trees. And there we go. Didn't hurt the flowers too much. The pond's running. I need to clean it. Time to clean. There you go. I'll go back in the house now. Take care. God bless.